Welcome to your Aruka MyPlan, a personalized, pillar-based roadmap to rebuild and restore your health and performance. Here's how to navigate your journey through 5 main steps. Step 1. Complete questionnaires. Start by filling out the onboarding, lifestyle, and medical questionnaires. These are essential for building a plan tailored to your unique needs. Step 2. Schedule your consultation. Next, you'll book your consultation. Once you're assigned a coach, this meeting will help establish goals and clarify your direction. Step 3. Complete your IRA assessment. Complete the injury risk analysis to identify movement dysfunctions. This will guide corrective strategies moving forward. Step 4. Activate MyPlan and coaching. After assessments, your full MyPlan is activated, customized across 7 pillars, including general overview, assessments, motion therapy, performance training, nutrition, restoration, and skill development. Step 5. Schedule consultation. Finally, you'll meet with your Aruka coach to refine your plan, monitor progress, and adjust strategies as you evolve. Follow these 5 steps to unlock the full power of your Aruka MyPlan. Each pillar supports your long-term growth, resilience, and health.